Get ready for the dictation. Start. Sir, very valuable suggestions have been made both in regard to the housing policy of the Government of India and also in regard to prefabricated housing in the context of this Hindustan housing factory. Sir, I would like to say a few words about the housing policy of the Government of India because many members have touched upon it. Sir, we undertake housing in two particular ways. One is social housing that we undertake through the state governments, and the other is contract housing, which is undertaken by the Ministry of Housing through the Central Public Works Department. As far as social housing is concerned, I fully agree with Sri Sapru that housing occupies a very important place in our society. Food, clothing, and shelter. We have always been proclaiming that they are the three tenets of our socialistic pattern of society. And I do admit that as far as social housing is concerned, it has not received the same attention as it should have received in our plans. I am not blaming the planners. After all, they have to take the finances of the country into consideration. They have also to take the state resources into consideration. But, sir, it is a fact that while the population of the country has been growing and growing very fast, during the last 10 years, there was a rise of over 21%, but in that period, the allocation under housing was brought down from 34% to 15% under the 10th plan. That has been our misfortune. And, sir, the states too, in spite of the fact that the allocations have been lowered, have also not been very active or enthusiastic about the housing programs. There have been lapses, and some of the houses which were built for the industrial workers have been allotted to non entitled persons, and when the emergency started, even the allocations made for housing in the state plans have been diverted to other projects. They are good projects, important projects, but if we concede that housing gives a man a certain amount of satisfaction, security of life, a home housing has to receive some priority, if not a very high priority. I have taken this up with the finance minister and the planning minister. I have also been to the life insurance corporation. The life insurance corporation has been very helpful. Stop.